With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here is a box contain 9 slips. A box contain 9 slips. A box contain 9 slips. Bearing number, it is bearing the number from -3 to 5, -3 to +5 in a number scale when we'll look. And experiments consist of drawing a slip from the box and replacing it back in the box after nothing the number. The experiment is repeated 9 times. This experiment of picking the number randomly is repeated 9 times. This experiment repeated 9 times. These numbers are known as chosen of elements. These elements are chosen in the matrices of 3 by 3. Then the probability that matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Then we have to find here the value for the skew symmetric matrix over here, and these are the following options. Okay, so here when we will look, when we'll make the skew symmetric matrix for the given function, so we will have here for the first function we will have here 0 of a of b. Then we will have here minus of a of 0 of c. Then we will have minus of b of minus of c of 0. So this is how it is forming the skew symmetric matrices. For here this we will have is a and b for positive a and b. Then for here the value of b is negligible. So here the value of b is negligible, so it is before 0. So before 0, that means it will be in negative form, so it will be minus of a, and it is after 0, so it will be plus c. Now the 0 lies in the third quadrant, so we will have all values in the negative form, so that we will have is minus b and minus of c. So here it is being said that there are 9 slip boxes and these are repeated at 9 times. These are 9 slip boxes. It is given that there are 9 slips and these are repeated, and this is repeated at 9 times. This is repeated at 9 times, repeated 9 times. So we will have here repeated at 9 times. So we will have the probability of 9 to the power 1. 9 of 9 to the power 9. 9 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so this will be equal to 9 of 9 to the power, and overall the number of steps that we will have is 9. And here it is the bearing numbers that we will have is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on it will move. So we will have here, when we will simplify it, the total numbers that we will have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 multiply with how many skew symmetric matrices do we have? We will have a 3 skew symmetric matrices. So for this also we will have a 7. For this also we will have the 7. For this also we will have a 7. So we will have here 7 multiply with 7 multiply with 7. 7 multiply with 7 multiply 7, and this will be equals to 3, 4. This will be equals to 3, 4, 3. So overall here the favorable outcome that we will have is 343. We will have the favorable outcome that we have is 343. So now here the probability that the matrices is skew matrix, probability, it is forming a triangle now when we look. So it is a skew symmetric matrix. This is a triangle, so it means here the required probability will be equals to favorable outcome, that means 343, and the total outcome that we will have is 9 to the power 9. So here 343 upon 9 to the power 9 is the correct answer for this question. For our option number B is the correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.